Hey, this is Chris with Reliable Home Improvement here in Roseville, California. This redwood tree right here was a troublemaker. Lifting up the driveway and the walkway up to the front door. We had to bring an arborist in for advice on how to handle this because not only did we need to fix the concrete, but what was paramount was we needed to make sure this tree remained healthy. Let me show you what's going on with the tear out and the way we're going to handle this.
Now the challenge here on this project was this large coastal redwood tree. The roots were so large. Look at those babies. This thing's been here for quite a few years. It's happy. But the concrete, on the other hand, wasn't. It was being lifted, large trip hazard walking up to the front door, and a large slope driving the water from rain back towards the front door. So there was a large pool there every time it rained. Look at the size of these roots. Holy cow. They're as large as the limbs. We hired Acorn. They were a local company. They came out and did an inspection for us so that we wouldn't harm the tree. So we wanted to protect the tree from disease and other factors that could happen. So 30% of the roots were able to be taken out because that was required. Look at those roots. They had gone all the way over to the other side of the driveway. Now the job is done. Beautiful stamped and colored driveway. No more trip hazards. When the homeowner comes home after a rainy day, there won't be a large puddle there to greet them on their way to walk in the front door. And most importantly, this coastal redwood tree is going to last for decades to come. From all of us here at Reliable, have a reliable day.